Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to remove someone from a WhatsApp group. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow this channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your WhatsApp to open it. So let me launch my WhatsApp right away. So guys, once your WhatsApp opens up, what you have to do now is to tap on the WhatsApp group that you want to remove someone from. So let me tap on the WhatsApp group right away. So guys, once the WhatsApp group opens up, what you have to do right away now is to tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the first option, which is written group info. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, right here, this is the profile page of the WhatsApp group. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to scroll downward to the bottom. So let me scroll downward now. Let me scroll. So guys, right here, this is where you're going to find all the members of this WhatsApp group. So guys, what you have to do right here now is to select the contacts that you want to remove from the WhatsApp group. As you can see here, these are the contacts that I have in this WhatsApp group. As you can see, there is 5 members. You can see just 5 persons are in this WhatsApp group. So guys, now if I want to remove anybody, what I have to do now is to tap on the contacts. So guys, let me tap on this contact right here. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see we have 5 options right here. The one you have to tap on is on the second to the last one. You can see that the arrow is pointing at it. It's written remove best auntie. Best auntie is the name of the contact. That's what I use in saving the contact. So guys, now if I want to remove this person now from this WhatsApp group, what I have to do now is to tap on remove best auntie. So guys, let me tap on it right away. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what is written here. Remove best auntie from support and benevolence group. So guys, now what you have to do right away now is to tap on OK. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on OK. So guys, now you can see removing. So guys, now you can see best auntie has been removed. You can no longer find the contacts within this WhatsApp group. You can see now the members has reduced to 4 members. It used to be 5. So guys, now this is how you can be able to remove someone from a WhatsApp group. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever we release new videos on this WhatsApp tutorial like this, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.